Alright, today we have these Auxito LED bulbs to replace the HID bulbs that come in the car. Not the halogen bulbs, the HID bulbs, the white lights that come in the cars these days. So that's the bulb package. Let's just jump right into it. It has all the information on the back, the bulb operating temperature, the bulb details. It even indicates this one has a D1S bulb type. I mean, you can get all different D2, D3, D4S. I'm just getting D1S because that's the car I have. Open up the plastic. Let's get the bulb cover off. And now inside there you'll find a pair of gloves that you can use when you're replacing the bulbs. Okay, so that's good. There's an owner's manual, like a user manual, and then there's the bulb itself over there. The bulbs look like it's very well constructed, nice aluminum. The beam angle is not adjustable, okay. And on the underside there's the electrical connector there. On the back side you have the cooling fan. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get a bulb from my car and we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the bulbs. So that's the factory HID bulb on the right side. Let's place them together with the Auxito LED bulb and see how they compare in the size. Now when you put them together you see that the size is basically the same, like it's an almost one-to-one comparison of the size, which is good because when you put in the bulb back in you want to make sure that nothing sticks out. On all different dimensions, height, thickness, it's all the same, slightly more in the length, but yeah, that looks good. The biggest difference I notice is the electrical connector on the LED bulb is a little bit longer, but we'll see how it affects it when we install it. For today we have this 2015 Genesis. That's the car we'll use. Now because this is not a bulb replacement video, like a step-by-step video, we're just gonna, I've already taken the bulb out. I'm just gonna put this LED bulb back in and see if it actually just fits in the way the HID factory HID bulb fits in. Let's try out the electrical connector first. Okay, that goes right on straight, so that is good. Now the tricky thing with these HID bulbs is that clip. You see that? That clip is what sort of holds the bulb in place, and there's a screw that holds it. So this is another picture. So see how the clip goes over the bulb? If the clip is not able to go over the bulb, then that's an issue. For now I've placed the Auxito bulb in, and let's see if I can get the clip over it. And yes, I can. It fits right in perfectly. I'm gonna get the screw on now, and the screw's on well. Everything's looking good. Now let's try putting that cap back on, see if anything sticks out. And nothing sticks out. It's a perfect one-to-one replacement, and that is great. So now for now I've just replaced the one side so we can do a side-by-side comparison. And notice what happens when I turn the bulbs on. The HID bulb takes a good 2-3 seconds to actually warm up. The LED bulb on the other hand though, it just fires right up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the HID bulb back in on both sides, take the car for a drive, and then swap it with the LED bulbs, and then take it again for the drive, and we can do a side-by-side comparisons. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now you've got the HID video on the left and the Auxito LED bulb videos on the right. You can do a side-by-side comparison. I drove this on two different roads, and it's I drove the same stretch of road for both the roads, so you can do a proper side-by-side comparison. And there you have it. The Auxito bulb is a little bit brighter. It's whiter light. These bulbs, they tend to last longer than the HID bulbs. They're a cheap replacement. And check out the link in description for the discount code. There you have it, folks. Hope you found the review video useful.